To answer question number 35, we need to follow some rules. How do you determine um, the end behavior? Here I wrote it down some rules. Follow this. The first rule, I said, first thing you're gonna determine the leading term from the given polynomials and look at the leading term. If you see on the leading term, this n is even number, the exponent is even number, and this number is a positive, then n behavior would be rises to the left and rises to the right. If you see this n is even number but this a is negative number, then the n behavior would be falls to the left and falls to the right. If you see this n is odd number and a is positive, then n behavior would be falls to the left and rises to the right. If you see this n is odd number and a is negative number, then n behavior will be rises to the left and falls to the right. Okay, followed by these rules, we can answer those questions. Now look at, for this polynomial, what is the leading term? Leading term is the term with the highest exponent. So this is the highest exponent p, and so that is my leading term. In this, just focus on the leading term. On this leading term, this exponent, this 5, is an odd number, so go to the rule number. Odd number is C. On C it says n is odd number, a is positive, so but a is here is negative, is negative 3, so it's rule D. N is odd number, a is negative, so n is odd number, which is 5, and a is negative 3, so n will be rises to the left and falls to the right. So rises to the left and falls to the right, which is the second answer. Rises to the left and falls to the right. Similarly, for B, the leading term is negative 6x to the power 4. 4 is even number, so go to even. This is even. These two are the even. A and B are even. So this 6 is negative. Here is a negative number, negative 6. So it follows rule B. N is even, A is negative. So n is even, A is negative, falls to the left, falls to the right. So falls to the left, falls to the right. So answer choice is B, last one. And for this polynomial, what is the leading term here? The leading term is x. Look at this, x to the power. You're gonna add it, these two exponent, this 2, that 2, which is 4. X to the power 4, and there is no negative number in front of that, so it's positive 4. So x to the power 4, which is an even number. So it follows rule number, rule A. N is even, A is positive. A is positive, that means there's no chance to get the negative number here. So A is positive, and N is even, so it follows rises to the left, rises to the right, rises to the left, rises to the right, which is answer choice is the third one. Okay, thank you.